Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder. A drag-and-drop app builder creates progressive web app, iOS and Android apps for your websites, or without a site, with elegant UI design and rich e-commerce functionalities quickly and simply. In today's video, we will show you how to create onboarding screens. These screens are perfect for welcoming users and highlighting your app's key features. To get started, log into your FluxBuilder account or sign up for a new one. Once you are logged in, open your app project. To set up your onboarding screens, go to the side menu and select Features. Under the Branding section, click on Onboarding. Toggle the switch to enable the feature for your app, or disable it if you want to hide these screens. You can also enable Show Only First Time to display these screens only once when a user first opens the app. If you disable this, they will appear every time the app is launched. You also have the option to hide or show the language button on the onboarding screens, as seen in the preview. Simply toggle the option based on your preference. Furthermore, you can set the language selector to appear automatically after the onboarding screens without the user having to click the button. FluxBuilder currently offers 3 different versions for your onboarding screens. You can see how each design looks in the preview window. Version 1 includes Sign In and Sign Up buttons, which can be hidden by enabling that specific option. Here is version 2. And finally, version 3. Each onboarding screen is made of 3 main elements: an image, a title, and a description. You can customize all of these in the detailed configuration section. The number shown here indicates which screen you are currently modifying. For example, if you want to edit the 3rd screen, you must navigate to configuration number 3. You can also add more screens. Or remove any screen that you no longer need. Now, let's adjust the 3rd screen. We will start by updating the image, then change the title and description to match our content. Next, I will go back to the second screen to change the image. To see the update, simply swipe to the second screen on the preview simulator. Lastly, let's modify the first screen. If you notice that the preview isn't changing, double-check that you have selected the correct screen number in the settings. Let's try that again. Okay, it's working now. The configuration is now complete. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more updates and stunning features.